drive blade replacement for the Model 15FS. Pry up and remove the rubber cap and compression spring. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the 4 cap screws and set cap aside. Using a pair of pliers, gently grasp the plunger to hold in place. With a 4mm hex wrench, loosen the 5 plunger screws. Remove the plunger. Turn nailer over and using a 5mm hex wrench, remove the 4 adapter foot screws. Remove the adapter foot and channel assembly. Remove the rubber bumper and drive blade assembly. Install new drive blade assembly and rubber bumper. Turn nailer over and position the nailer on a flat surface to prevent the drive blade assembly from falling through. Align return cylinder gasket and plunger. Using the 4mm hex wrench, install the 5 plunger screws. Turn the nailer over, extend the drive blade, and slide the nail channel assembly down over the drive blade. Place adapter foot over channel assembly and with a 5mm hex wrench install the 4 screws. Turn the nailer over. With air connected, install the compression spring and rubber cap.